With the Dynatrac axle, these are the J8 brakes. That's the e-brake cable that hooks up to it. And what we did was we got the long cables going up. Remove all the factory stuff, remove the center console, loosen your adjuster on the e-brake all the way, and then they will go in and bolt in like factory inside, and then hook them up at the e-brakes last. You got to get your adjusters, turn that little hole there. See if I can get light on. Yeah, so you take these little caps off, loosen the adjusters all the way, and then you can get that to pop into place and put your clip on.